Here's how to add an app to favorites on your iPhone. It really depends on what you mean by favorites. You might be talking about apps on your home screen, the dock, or the Favorites tab in the phone app. First, let's add an app to the home screen if it's not already there. Go to the app library and search for the app name. For example, if you want to add Google Keep, just press and hold the app icon, then tap Add to Home Screen. Now the app will be added to your home screen. Next, let's add an app to the dock. Press and hold on any empty space on your home screen to enter edit mode. Then, drag the app icon down to the dock. This lets you use it like a favorite app. You can add up to 4 apps in the dock. Now, if you're looking for the Favorites tab in the phone app, here's how to get it back. Go to the Calls tab, then tap on the More option in the top right corner. Select the classic layout, and the Favorites tab will appear at the bottom, just like the older iOS versions. From there, you can add up to 8 contacts and manage them easily. If you want to learn how to add or remove contacts from favorites, check out my separate tutorial for that.